Sugar Doctor, Henny Correo. Palakpakan naman yung thank you guys. And now, si Kuya Jimo yung magkaya hindi sa kako. Okay, may alert attention na yan. Sir, right side naman. Ito na po, si Uno, the older brother of Teddy. Now guys, alam na naman mga kabang Palawan Burgas, they are endemic here in the Philippines. Meaning, dito lang sila sa Pilipinas nakita, particularly sa Palawan. Now the reason that there is bear in their name, because they can stand up using their two hind legs. Kaya na po, pinapakita ng Uno. Thank you so much, Uno. And siyempre si Teddy na rin. Now guys, fun fact about Palawan Burgas, their poop and their feet actually smells like fresh popcorn. Yes, kung amoy popcorn yung pupo nila. And then, omnivore sila. Ibig sabihin, kumakain sila ng gulay, prutas at karne. Kaya kumagang sila kakain kay Richie. Anong marunong yung kay Richie?